Hey, Rook Knight here. Thanks for joining me. So today we have this eagle body, round body, or cylinder or barrel, however you want to call it. But I just got this today. I had to clean out the inside really good. It was completely gunked up. None of the pins would bind whatsoever. It was really in bad shape. I kept a patina on. I'm not sure if I'm going to take that off. I know people get mad when I do, but I don't know. I like them shiny. But so far I kept it on. But I only got this for 15 bucks. It doesn't have a key, but maybe possibly I might be able to find one down the line and do some impressioning. But for right now, I'm really excited to have this, and I thought we could try picking it and see if we can get into it. I'm going to do top of the keyway tension here. And the core has no movement whatsoever. And then the shackle, when you pull the shackle out, it's an interesting shackle design. I'm going to do a Jimmy Long. See if we can get in here. I believe there's 5 pin stacks total. When I look at keys, it looked like only 4, but they feel like there's 5 here. Maybe I'm wrong. Really cool lock. Like I said, 15 bucks, man. I could not beat that. I was so excited. I really thought somebody was going to outbid me any second. I just think it went under the radar and people missed out. After I got it clean, the pins are really clicky and that seemed like they're good to go. And the warding on this lock is great. Really nice warding. And it's unique. It's something you don't see too often, so I was happy to get a hold of it. Nothing's binding in the front. Seems like the back maybe binds first. Gotta be careful. You can snap a pick with this warding. Definitely gotta take it easy. Just got it cleaned up today. I just got it in the mail and then cleaned it up. It was so bad though, so I figure, I know I don't like using lighter fluid, but I didn't have much of a choice. Oh, there we go. And we're open. Check out that shackle. Pretty cool. Really neat concept. It's definitely different. It stays open until you have to close it and turn the cord for it to lock it again. But check that thing out. There's like it rotates over and locks it into place. So you definitely can't shim that. But there we go, guys. We got an Eagle barrel lock picked on camera. And seems to be working order. Hopefully I can get a key for it down the line and we'll come back and visit this. If you're still sticking with me, I really appreciate you guys. We'll catch you on the flip side. Thanks. Have a good weekend.